High winds and saltwater demand not only skill but resilience. Even more fascinating is the art of underwater welding, a daring feat performed under the water's surface, showcasing incredible expertise and nerve. This rigorous preparation ensures that each task is performed safely and efficiently. Safety is paramount. Behind each welder's mask is extensive training and certification, essential for tackling the unique challenges of offshore work. Their skills go beyond mere technique, precision, attention to detail. A deep understanding of materials are what make them masters of their trade. In this dynamic environment, the work is relentless, but so is the commitment to excellence and safety. Each spark not only fortifies the structure, but also symbolizes the relentless spirit and expertise of those who work at sea.